Finally, my Vivo S1 back to life with a new battery. As you can see, previously it still can use normally, but if I restart from 100% example, immediately drop to 18%. If it's 80% or below, if I did a restart, down to 2%. So the battery had a very issue, and swollen battery of course must be replaced. It isn't safe. So finally, new battery, no more issue. I did try restart, it's same percentage, example 71%, restart, and it still shows same percentage. So no more issue, problem solved. This phone is still great even in 2024. It's been 5 years, was released in 2019. I really like its design, as you can see, very beautiful. My next project of this phone is to replace the new screen protector and the new case. This one still can use, but this one I will keep it and bought another one. But still looks beautiful. I'm so happy that this phone is back to life with a new battery. So before I end this video, you can give your feedback for this new battery install in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.